Hello everyone! Are you facing issues with Marvel Costas of Champions promo codes? In this video, I will walk you through how to fix the promo code not working error. So now let's get started. First, make sure you have entered the code correctly. Promo codes are case sensitive, so ensure that there are no typos or extra spaces. Sometimes, promo codes have an expiration date. Head to the official Marvel Contest of Champions website or check the promo terms to verify that the code is still active. Next, confirm that the promo code applies to your account. Some codes are region specific or for new players only. Now, if the issue still persists, try restarting the game. This can refresh the app and apply any updates that may affect the promo code redemption. And that is how you fix the promo code not working error in Marvel Contest of Champions. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.